In this video, I will be showing you how I close the sidebar in ChatGPT to create a cleaner and more focused workspace. I'm starting right here on the ChatGPT homepage, and as you can see, the sidebar on the left displays all of my previous conversations and projects. To clear up some visual space and focus purely on my current chat, I'll move my mouse up to the top left corner of the screen where the sidebar icon is located. It looks like a small sidebar or panel symbol. I'll click that icon once, and you'll see the sidebar immediately collapse, giving me a much wider area for my text and responses. If I ever reach a point where I need to access my history or start a specific past project again, I'll simply move my cursor back to that same top left corner and click the icon once more to reopen the sidebar instantly. It's a very simple but effective way to customize my view depending on how much screen real estate I need at the moment. This feature is especially helpful when I'm working on longer documents or analyzing detailed data where I want as few distractions as possible. If you found this quick tip helpful for managing your AI workspace, please consider liking the video and subscribing for more walkthroughs just like this one.